To arm your DSC system, you must make sure there's a green ready light. But if you have a zone faulted, here we have a zone 2 is faulted. Zone 2 is kitchen door. It's very easy to bypass. You just hit *1, 0, 2 for zone 2. You press your pound key. Your green ready light will come on, and you just arm your system, and system will arm, and zone 2 is bypassed. You can do this on any type of DSC system, be it an alpha keypad. Here we have a LED keypad. So it's *1, 0, 2 for zone 2, pound, green ready light will come on, enter your code, and it will arm, and you successfully bypass zone 2.